pile. But I've been procrastinating and I'm so embarrassed to show you. This is the freezer. Not only is this the freezer, but I don't know what's in there. I can't see it. I mean, it's good to have a packed freezer, but let's be honest. When your freezer is this packed, you are not moving stuff around to get to it. And more than likely, like myself, I'm buying stuff over that I've already got in here. So what we're going to do is we are going to clear this bad boy out, see what's in it, get rid of what I'm not going to use, and try my best to organize it. Yeah, it's a lot. And I got all types of bags of fruit just randomly put just all over, and I need to get those used before I keep buying fruit, because I did buy some blueberries, frozen blueberries, which I needed because I wanted to make some syrup. And then strawberries, bananas, mangoes, pineapples, they're in there, but I don't know where. And when you're looking for something, you're not trying to pull all that out. And I am one who has how people scratch chalkboards? I'm the one that hate touching icy cold stuff. So I'm probably gonna put some gloves on. But I'm about to get a big bin and pile as much of the stuff in the bin and look at it, see what I want, put whatever in the sink and unthaw it or toss it, whatever, and get my bags, because I use my reusable bags. I'm not going to, waste those. So that's why I got to put them in the sink to unthaw it so it slides out and I can clean my bag. So let's get into it. This is the before. So I decided to clean off the island, and I'm going to utilize the island for my space to decipher what I'm going to do, and then go from there because it's a bigger space. So let's get this cleaned off and then get this stuff out the freezer. All right, let's get this stuff out the freezer. You guys don't understand how much I do not like touching icy things with icicles or ice or cold. It's weird because as a kid I did play in the snow, and I will play in it as an adult, but it's something about that ice in the freezer. This is something I procrastinated on because of that. Talk to me in the comments if there's something that you procrastinated on, but you're glad that you end up doing. So a quick homemaking tip: if you are a beginner to learning to prep things and have things ready in your home, I cut up a lot of produce. So I buy onions, I buy peppers, I buy mushrooms, fruits, vegetables, different things like that. Instead of buying the pre-packaged onions and peppers that are cut up, just take like one day of the month and get you some onions and peppers, and just take one day and chop up onions in 3 different sizes. Do like a minced, a chopped, and then like a sliced, and do the same thing for peppers, and just put them in little big bags. As you see, I have these reusable bags. Talk to me in the comments so I remember to share these bags with you guys below, because they are game changers. I do not buy any Ziploc bags. These save me so much money, guys. And you can see what's in them. As you can see, I love them. I have all sizes, and I did share with my gators over a year ago when they went on sale. So I ended up buying another 20 bags, which were like cheaper than when I bought my first 20. So talk to me in the comments and I'll definitely share that link with you. But definitely, that's how I make my jams. Some fruits are in season and some fruits are not. So if they're like the ones that are fresh, I try not to get them if they're out of season. I'll get them pre-packaged because usually they're coming from somewhere else where they're in season. So that's just a tip. So talk to me in the comments and continue watching. Later, gators. All right, that's everything. All right, so that is everything. That's why in my freezer it was freezing, but it was making a lot of ice, and that's because it was too packed and not sealing like it should be. I'm leaving that turkey. Hopefully I'll be cooking that soon to break it down to make other meals, like separate meals and stuff. So yeah, we need to wipe down and get this cleaned up, but let's go through this food. All right, so what we have here, some shrimp. I'm gonna keep those. Now we're gonna keep the beef patties. Now we're gonna keep the tuna, wild caught. I bought that on the sale, so we're keeping that. We have some frozen cantaloupe. I'm gonna keep that for smoothies. Have some frozen carrots. I think I'm gonna get rid of these, so put that over there. We have some asparagus. I'm gonna keep that. These need to be in another bag. We have some strawberries. I'll definitely keep that. I'm gonna put, if it's another bag, try to keep those together. We have some medleys. We're gonna have 2 of these. See what I'm saying? Like, not buying stuff. I'm gonna put the medleys and the green beans in one thing right there, along with these. More veggies. Some broccoli. Some more. I know I have bought some more. Yeah. Lord. This is what I mean when you can't see stuff. Salmon. Frozen beets. Peeping nose. These are pineapples. Keeping those. I know I don't want this cabbage, so we're gonna get rid of that cabbage. Put that over there. This is, yeah, I don't know what this is. Is this more cantaloupe? One of these mango, I think, I don't know. Could be used for a smoothie. I'm not gonna toss it. My jalapeno peppers. We got beets. Okay, not too bad. And some bananas, frozen. Okay, let's see how I can maneuver this. Let's see how we can maneuver this, because this is annoying. Very annoying. Well, at least get these in here. The ones that, these pineapple ones. You see what's in these bags, so I'm gonna put them in another spot. These are the beets. This is our meat here. These are peppers. These are cherries. I'm gonna throw these cherries in here with this. Let's see what's over there. Look like I got more jalapenos. Okay, we're gonna put this over here by the meat. Peppers. There was another bag of peppers. Is this another thing of bananas? Or is this the same one? Hold on. More bananas. If I can get these in one thing, that'll be good. Let me see if I can get these in one. These will definitely be okay in a smoothie. So, get rid of this. Alright. So that's bananas. These I need to unthaw for tomorrow. That's ground turkey. It's not these. It's actual ground turkey. Okay, some more jalapenos. And I think these are more pineapples. So we're going to throw the pineapples inside this bag as well. Yep, get rid of that bag. Won't be buying no more fruit until this is gone. Okay, I got 2 bags with peppers, so we're gonna put the peppers in the smaller thing like this. All right, get rid of that bag. All right, so actually, I can use this for these green beans right here. Y'all, I love these bags. These reusable, oh, ouch. Dang it. Ziploc bags. Okay. Peppers, jalapeno, beets, jalapenos. Veggies, fruits. Veggies gonna go over there. Let's this? I don't even know. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I just readjusted some more things. These are pinto beans that I froze. This is beet stuff that I froze for smoothies. So let's see if I can make this a little bit more neater. Let me do a little quick wipe down so I can hurry and get this stuff back in there. I still got the plastic on my refrigerator, guys. I forgot to start back recording. But anyway, so I'm thinking when I see this in there, I'm like, oh shoot, it's something red on the shelf. It was a frozen freaking strawberry. So I never took the plastic out. So I'm going to take the plastic out, rinse the shelves off, wipe them down, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Jeez. Ooh. Yeah, I had a whole part of my freezer I wasn't even using. I just took the stuff off of it. Like literally. Was not even using at all. Definitely gotta wipe it out. What in the world? There's some space right here. Okay, let me get this off and wipe this out. I was able to take it out. Alright, we nice and clean, even the bottom. Let's get this stuff back in here, y'all. Oh, Jesus. Decided to put the veggies down there. All right, all the tape and styrofoam is off, and now I'm about to put everything back in. So before I show you my freezer after, hold on, guys. Every time I'm recording, I promise you, it seems like every time I start recording, the commercials come on as soon as I start recording. It's the weirdest thing. So I got cabbage, carrots, more shredded cabbage, some squash, and some almond pulp, and some cubes here that were for face cubes, but we don't need them anymore. I'm gonna make some more. So that's all I took out the freezer. I didn't take much. And then the ground turkey that I'm going to be using for dinner tomorrow, I took that out. So these are the things that I took out of the freezer. I'm going to get these into a bag and clean out all my bags. Yeah, so let me show you the after. All right, everything is emptied out and all the food is in a bag. It's going to the trash can, and yeah, now we can go take a look at that freezer. I'll be cleaning that out after. Da-da-da-da. Glad that I got it done. It makes me feel amazing when things are organized. I can see everything, and not only is this the freezer, but soon. I don't know what's in there. I can't see it. I mean, it's good to have a packed freezer, but let's be honest. When your freezer is this packed, you are not moving stuff around to get to it. And more than likely, like myself, I'm buying stuff over that I've already got in here. So what we're gonna do, what we're going to do is we are going to clear this bad boy out, see what's in it, get rid of what I'm not going to use, and try my best to organize it. You know, it's in order. You know what I mean? And I got all types of bags of fruit just randomly put just all over, and I need to get those used before I keep buying fruit, because I did buy some blueberries, frozen blueberries. Tell me this does not do something for your brain. Going from that to this. Tell me that does not make you just feel good looking at it. Like, you don't need all the fancy organization things. Just do it. Just do it. and it makes your brain feel better. Talk to me in the comments. I talk back. Later, Gators.